Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. In this video here I'm going to be reviewing my new hair straightener, and I never thought I would be getting a new hair straightener because I had my trusty GHD for I think over 14 years, and it's been serving me really well. It was amazing quality actually, because nowadays they make all these appliances so they last a couple of years, you know, until the warranty lasts, and then once the warranty has expired the device also expires. This is what I've come to realize in the past couple of years. Things just aren't made to last these days. I guess it's because of this consumerism that we're facing. Anyway, I have my brand new straightener because my hubby got robbed. He actually went to our show in Turin. Long story, this is not a coffee talk. So he got robbed and he had in his suitcase my GHD hair straightener. So all of a sudden I was without hair straightener, and I was really bummed about it because, as I've said, I was really happy with my GHD. I've had it for such a long time, so all of a sudden I really needed a new hair straightener, like ASAP, because my hair is just this texture that it really needs to be straightened or curled. I need to do something with it. Otherwise it's just like a hot mess on my head. Do you know what I mean? It's just this texture, and I've tried many times to kind of curl it with just foam, but then the hairstyle lasts for a day and then I need to wash it again, and I'm not really keen on washing my hair every single day. It's just too much for me, you know, time-wise, hassle, and also stressful for my hair. So I just like to straighten my hair and wash it every third day, something like that. So what I did is I ordered a new hair straightener, obviously, and I was debating whether I should just repurchase GHD. They did not have my exact model because I bought it like 14 years ago and it was like limited edition. I was debating whether to get GHD again or this L'Oreal Steampod or Dyson. I think Dyson is the most expensive one because it's quite of an investment. I just watched a couple of YouTube tutorials, and I watched girls with very curly hair, with massive hair, you know, African girls as well. Definitely different hair structure, you know, much more complicated to straighten, and they all voted for L'Oreal Steampod, like even comparing Dyson to L'Oreal Steampod. And the results that I saw, like L'Oreal Steampod was performing much better than Dyson, even on their hair. So I said, I think this one is the one for me. Also because my hairdresser months ago mentioned that one of her clients had this really beautiful texture hair, and very silky and shiny and soft, and you know, great quality, really great health. And she asked her, are you styling your hair with any heat devices? And she said, yeah, I'm straightening it regularly, but since I bought L'Oreal Steampod, it kind of transformed my entire, you know, hair routine and the state of my hair. So I know that she recommended Steampod to me, but back then I wasn't thinking about, you know, getting a new hair straightener. So now that I needed to buy a new hair straightener, I was like, okay, I'm just going to go for L'Oreal Steampod. And this is 3.0, and they came up with 4.0 as well, which costs 100 euros more than this one, and this one was already 217 euros on a special offer. So I was like, no, I'm not going to give extra 100 euros for just the latest version. I think this one is great, you know, for my hair structure. I don't have you know, curly, massive, unruly hair. I just need to straighten it a bit, so it's kind of nice and sleek. So 3.0 is going to do just, you know, well for me. So, you know, it's going to do magic for me. My first impressions were really great. I love the fact that it releases steam whilst you're actually straightening your hair, so it's supposed to be less damaging. And it's L'Oreal Roventa. So I remember I had Roventa hair straightener. It was my first hair straightener ever. I was in my early 20s, and it had like the same system. You were supposed to put a bit of water in the tank, and then it was releasing steam. But it didn't have ceramic plates, it had those metal plates, and I have to say the result was always a bit like, not that great. My hair was never, you know, that sleek and just straight. It was a bit off, but I think that was like the first time they came up with something like that, like steam straightener, and it was like in the early 2000s. I'm talking about early 2000s, so many years ago. So basically 25 years later, they advanced their technology, teamed up with L'Oreal, and they came up with something really great. So it's the same system. Basically you have the tank here, and you basically just remove this part, the tank, fill it up with water, and they will also give you this a little like bottle where you can store your distilled water. It has to be distilled because otherwise you can, you know, easily break it. You will get a little bottle, and then you just fill up your tank, push it back, and then here you have on and off button. I usually use it on the 180 temperature. I don't want to exaggerate. The 180 serves me just fine, but you can do even higher than that if needed. But you know, be careful not to fry your hair. It does release steam, but still, you know, it's a high temperature, so it's definitely not great for your hair. And it also comes with a little comb that you can actually remove if you want to. But I find it's actually really helpful for me, for my type of hair, when I use this little comb. Can you see it? Yeah, so basically this is a little removable comb. You can just remove it if you want to, and you can keep it. And when I straighten my hair with the comb, then I just straighten it like this. I basically put my iron upside down, and I start straightening it like this, and then it like glides through my hair, you know what I mean? If I'm straightening my hair with the logo up and the comb inside, it's just not working. It just isn't performing the way it should. It just isn't gliding through my hair, you know? And you basically even have these little arrows. I don't know if you can see them, but there are little arrows that basically indicate the proper way of straightening your hair when you have a little comb inside. It is a bit heavy, like it looks and feels massive in my hands, but it's really easy to straighten my hair with this. Very easy, very quick, and I feel my hair is super straight, even straighter than when I use the GHD, which is a huge statement. And also it stays straight for more days actually, which is great. So I'm definitely giving this highest possible grade. It's an amazing device. I just hope it will last me long time, because it's quite expensive, but then GHD is also around 250-300 euros, so, and Dyson is even more expensive. So this one won the battle in many YouTube reviews that I saw. I won't be doing a comparison since I don't have currently another hair straightener to, you know, compare it with. But comparing it to my GHD that I've had, this one is definitely level up. I can see that it's like very professional device that is going to you know, deliver the result, but also will take care of your hair, and it won't stress out your hair too much. However, you should always be careful not to go twice or 3 times over the same section. So what I do is I only go once through one section, and I don't even need to go twice over the same section. This is something that I've noticed. Another thing that I've noticed is that nowadays with these devices that cost a lot of money, like Dyson and this L'Oreal Steampod, they are being very how would I say, they won't even give you like a little pouch bag where you can, you know, store your devices. I was used to always getting a little pouch, I don't know, whenever I was buying GHD or even other not that luxury brands. I always got little pouch so I can safely place my device. But these days, I mean, I bought Dyson, I spent around 400 euros. It wasn't that version with all the accessories. But you know, come on, I spent 400 euros. You couldn't even give me a little pouch for me to store my device in. And the same story with this. It just came in cardboard box that I'm going to show you right now. So this is the box. And that's it basically. They didn't give me any pouch to store it, and it's not really handy or practical to store it inside. So with the device you will only get the instructions and this little bottle. So this is what I wanted to mention. One kind of negative thing, because you're paying a lot of money for this. I mean, it's great quality and everything. I'm very satisfied with the result, but you know, for your clients, for customers, just a little extra would, you know, mean a lot, because these things for the company, for the fabric, they don't cost like anything. I mean, on Temu or other websites you can find pouches for a couple of euros. So I'm pretty sure these big companies such as L'Oreal or Raventa or Dyson can handle, you know, the cost of additional pouch. But anyway, I just need to put it out there. So overall, a really great styler. I'm very happy with it. I am going to film myself also in my bathroom whilst I'm styling my hair, straightening it, so you can see how it was before and then the result. And even today I straightened my hair. As you can see, it's very silky, soft and very shiny. And actually the website where I bought it, it's one Croatian website that had this special offer, so I ended up paying a bit less for it, 217 euros, and they gave me a little L'Oreal oil with this as a little gift with purchase. Okay, so this is the hair repair oil that I got as a gift, 30 milliliters of Absolut repair oil. It says with germ oil, and it's 10-in-1 professional oil. And I have to say, it's really great. The first time I tried it after straightening my hair, and I put like 3 pumps because I thought, you know, 3 pumps is going to be enough. But oh my gosh, I ended up having to wash it off because 1 pump is more than enough, even for my hair length. I mean, 3 pumps was just way over the top. I would need to wash my hair all over again. So it's not oily or heavy on your hair, but it's super concentrated, so 1 pump is enough. And I use it only after straightening my hair, and it really gives that shine and that silky touch to my hair. So I usually apply it on my lengths. I will do a separate review on it in case you want to hear more about this oil, but it is really nice. So guys, that's it, my review of L'Oreal Steampod 3.0, my new hair straightener. I am really happy with it, and I really do recommend it to you. In case you need to get a new hair styler and you're debating whether to go for GHD, Dyson, L'Oreal Steampod, my experience so far with L'Oreal Steampod has been amazing. Definitely can recommend it to you. So let me know your thoughts, your experiences, if you already tried it out, or if you have tried out Dyson hair straightener or GHD. I would also like to know. It's also going to be very beneficial for other people watching this video to see your comments. Based on that, hopefully they can make a better decision when purchasing their new hair styler. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, for liking and subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot. Now I'm sending you a big kiss from Croatia, and I will talk to you very soon in one of my new videos. Bye!